Now let's start off by talking about what exactly a database is. Now this group of videos in the database basics section of the course are specifically here for those of you who are brand new to this idea of databases, or you've kind of played with Access in the past, but I want to make sure that we all start off on a level playing field, and I want to give you just a real quick visual in this video about what a database is, and a visual animation that helps a lot of people get this straight in their head, especially once we jump in to the Access graphical user interface. So let's start off first. A database is a collection of information centered around a certain topic. It can be a company's accounting. It can be a company's inventory. It can be their customers, their clients. It can be daily operations. Somebody somewhere is going to have to decide how inclusive or how large of a topic they're going to cover or collect data about in their database. Now the data is organized based on a very defined structure, and the data is often subdivided based on the content and how the different pieces of content relate to one another. Now here's the visual. I want you to picture a filing cabinet, and you've used these before, no doubt, and inside the drawer of the filing cabinet we have folders that we put in some sort of order, alphabetical order, part number order, by date, something like that. And then inside that particular folder, and a lot of times you'll see these large expanding file folders in the drawer, inside that folder you will see another folder or group of folders, and these are storing related data about that main folder. Now what's real interesting is, and it's kind of hard to represent in the real world, this particular data that's in this folder also may relate to folder data in another drawer. And if you've ever seen this, you'll remember seeing a note in the file, a memo saying see also, or cross-referencing another folder. Now if you've got that image in your brain, let's layer this on top of that. Think of the filing cabinet as the database. This is where all the records are stored and maintained, and we can lock it up when we leave at night. Now think of each drawer as a table. It has a definite structure. We're storing definite data in that drawer. This is 2010 records. This is certain companies' files, certain patients, that sort of thing. And then every individual folder that's in that drawer is a row. It's a complete set of individual information in that table, or it's a complete record, if you will. And then inside that folder we can put related data. Now this is where the picture will kind of break down somewhat, so I don't want to go any farther, but if you can picture this, it will really help you as you start to build these objects and relate them inside Access. So get this image in your brain and let's move on.